U.S. banks to allow Bitcoin trading in 2021? Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Sant Avant-Namano at Cointelegraph and brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. According to a report by CNBC, New Digital Investment Group has inked a partnership with Fidelity National Information Services to provide a framework for United States banks to offer Bitcoin trading services to their customers. Patrick Sells, Bank Solutions Chief at New Digital Investment Group, he told CNBC that several banks have already signed up for the program, with the majority being smaller financial institutions. However, Sells also added that the company is in talks with major U.S. banks to participate in the program. According to the New Digital Investment Group executive, major names such as Bank of America and J.P. Morgan may be incentivized to come on board once smaller banks begin to reap the rewards of Bitcoin trading adoption. As part of the collaboration between the New Digital Investment Group and Fidelity National Information Services, participating banks will be able to offer direct Bitcoin trading for their customers straight from their existing accounts. Now, banks greenlighting Bitcoin trading could see U.S. lenders competing with platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, and Square, among others. New Digital Investment Group President Yan Zhao said, "This is not just the banks thinking that their clients want Bitcoin. They're saying they need to do this because they see the data. They are seeing deposits going to the Coinbases and Galaxies and the Krakens of the world." United States lenders offering retail Bitcoin trading will also constitute a 180-degree reversal of the consensus among financial institutions in the country regarding cryptos. The likes of Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley recently announced plans to offer Bitcoin funds to institutional clients. So will banks move into the world of Bitcoin now that they see the possibility of gigantic profits? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And this episode, it's brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. Now, Swan Bitcoin allows you to buy Bitcoin with dollar cost averaging. And as everybody says, that's one of the best ways to buy Bitcoin. And you can buy as little as $10 worth of Bitcoin at a time. I'm an advisor to Swan and even own a small piece of the company, so you know I am personally going to love what they're doing. Now, if you use the link swanbitcoin.com/Gary, you can receive $10 worth of Bitcoin free. So take a look at swanbitcoin.com/Gary and see what I'm talking about. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin show. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.